chicken this, you know this after the fried chicken today. No matter how much restaurant you go and you see fried chicken, everybody have them difference when frying chicken. Even though it's the same process when frying chicken, always the chicken just always tastes different. Maybe it's because of the hands, different. I don't know.
Everybody season different and it depends on the type of seasoning.
True.
We're going to get that effect, you know?
True. Beautiful chicken.
This is how we do
chicken
it, you know?
coming on nice right here. You can see the edge them I get crispy up and thing, and the smell, the smoke. Whoa, man, I tell you. Why the smell of that, the smoke just a box here. The smoke just a box here, and you just a take the box. You just a take the box from the smoke just because it smells so good, people. Believe me, man. You have to find this spot. This spot is not far from stadium. People, we are going to pin the link in the description so you can easily find the spot when you know heading from airport or going to airport. When you pass here, so just make a turn off not far from the main, literally not far from the main, like less than 1 minute walk from half of the main. I want to find a spot of people, me I tell you. So the vibes is just right. We're under the cool shed right there, so church pan there, so chicken in there to start about to fry and now rice pot almost finish up. Curry goat, ranking curry goat as well. The chef say we see soup in there. Can't wait to taste some of that because me is a soup man. People me is a soup man. I love food bad, so when the day out with me, stay tuned. Food for days, food for weeks, food for years and months, man, people. Wanna know the style. Yard life's good, man. Alright, so chef pass there. I'm gonna put a piece of chicken in the soup.
Yeah, man, chicken foot.
Oh, chicken foot soup, but you don't know, cut up a little piece of the chicken and this already seasoned up.
Rabbit.
Alright. Oh, pot coming on nice, man. Look at that. Pot and bubble up. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Nice.
Authentic rice and peas. Shelly.
Definitely. Really. So people, we just see that while I got the rice pot, I get dig up. Chef Alex in there, dig up the rice pot, and rice looking so beautiful and shelly, moist at the same time. We can't wait to taste some of that with some of that curry there. Oh my god. People, beautiful vibes, man. Beautiful vibes. Look at this environment. I'm sure no one. Whole 360 view. Whole 360 view around the area. A nice spot. Nice little gardening right there, so we see the trees and right there, so we can see the sweet sap tree, mango tree there right there, so you see, whoa, it's just a vibe, people. So the place is naturally cool and nice under the tree right here, so the whole vibes is natural. It's a natural vibes, so it's not no uptown style. This is a real natural Jamaican environment vibe type of thing. So when you know the style, food for days, man. Yard life's good. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, people. Give the video a thumbs up. Remember, when you click the video, give it a thumbs up. Remember that. And the vibes, keep it going. Natural yard lifestyle. So, sliced fish. Get over here, so watch it for you.
What's up from scaling on some time, you know?
Yes.
Dropping on the soup.
Whoa. So it's another dose this because I already did this.
Yeah, man.
So you know, say another normal thing when I say double dose and triple dose of scallion and thyme.
Yeah, man, that's why we say we are soul food, authentic thing, you know?
Natural.
Yeah, man, try use the natural things, them, you know? You not try around the thing. Yeah, man, we have to taste, you know?
Yeah, man. Real natural vibes. Yeah, man. this at all. This is going to work.
Brown stew slice fish. Yeah, man, brown stew slices, you know? Everything natural. Show there, man. Black pepper them and salt them, you know?
Yeah.
You know them something there where them green seasoning and them seasoning there, the yellow seasoning, where you say a fish seasoning. We don't know that.
And a fish.
No, so we don't know about that. We know about pepper
Yeah, man.
and salt.
And salt.
Yeah, man, that we know about.
Fish just wash off, you know?
By 11:30, yeah. 12 o'clock,
Sweet.
people are walking, food are shared. People are smiling and eat and enjoy themselves.
Definitely.
That's how we get that work.
Definitely.
Black pepper. Fish that way.
So you say fish ready up. Pot it ready for going.
Fry, yeah.
Wow. Nice people. Look at that.
Some water for you cool him down, keep him moist.
Keep him moist. Yeah, man. See, a lot of people use beer and everything there.
No, well, beer is beer
what's
chicken,
that
you
do?
turn it in.
Okay.
When you have
okay.
barbecue chicken, you use beer. Beer have a tendency to get it tough.
Oh.
Alright. Jerk chicken, you know. Jerk chicken. Original jerk chicken is the Maroons them, you know. It's a form of preserve your meat.
Oh.
Jerking, you know. If you remember jerking original from Jamaica, which the Maroons used to do to preserve the meat when they was fighting the English. So that's why we have to take time to do it too. We don't force it. Yeah, brother. Eh?
Well, it's a more gas reach.
Yes, man. More
Yeah,
gas.
man, more gas for the flame.
That's why I go.
Yes,
Give
that's
up your
that.
status.
Beautiful, beautiful vibes. Look at that, people. It's a vibe. At first, I see something like this, I wouldn't call it the young gas carrier upon a young people. Whoa. Nice. Beautiful.
We don't do it yet. Chicken. Yeah, flicking. Yeah, you see it. That's how we do it.
Normally, you get jerk chicken pan, like mostly Friday, Saturday vibes. And this place, you can naturally get jerk chicken on a Tuesday. Beautiful, beautiful vibes, people. Chicken smells so good. Smoke, pan a smoke up and thing. Vibes are normal on a Tuesday. And it's now, see the time. It's now 9:59 a.m. It's now 9:59 a.m. and we can see most of the stuff them almost finished. Fish are gonna start fry up and cook down. It's brown stew fish, but you don't know fish not take no time. The vibes is just not normal, people. It's not a normal vibes as early as the morning be. Food ready. Food, breakfast early out. Breakfast ready from early out and lunch literally. By 11 o'clock you can get lunch. And we're seeing that right now. It's now maybe 10 o'clock. We're just showing it the time, 9:59, and the vibes are normal. Jerk chicken there right over here, sir. Bubble up. We are heading inside now. Right, our brother. We are heading inside now because more stuff are going on in the kitchen, people. It's just a vibe. Remember to subscribe give the video a thumbs up. We're out here doing the food.
Alright, now we're drop. Let's see if my eye Latino up the drop. An oil in a pot for fish.
Let's have this leaf and then walk in. I'm on the fried chicken, so then want the curry chicken. You understand?
Oh.
Yes, so I have stuff ready early.
Still
lunch.
Lunch. Look at that. Rice looking well beautiful in the plate. Right?
Yep.
So, whole chicken over there get
Yep.
chopped. And that right there. So.
Yep.
So this is breakfast. Turning into lunch. People come in and say, yo, they want early lunch and chicken not done it. But here what? Give me the breakfast side of the curry chicken. So look at that curry looking rich.
Wow.
Wow. Beautiful. Nice. Nice.
Right.
See chef right as a
Flour.
Yes, nice, beautiful vibe. Yeah, get off some of the flour off of the chicken and thing. Oh.
No, they have to cook on purpose. I don't have to put on acting and they cook on purpose. Plain rice with the curry goat.
So guys, clean rice, clear to the dough rice and with the curry goat. You don't know that plain white rice, pure curry goat. If you don't feel like eating rice and peas, I don't feel like we're going to go with that today. Not the day of people, the vibes, not normal. The food smell real good. So just please give a thumbs up on the video. Make sure to give that thumbs up on the video because we're out here in the food vibes, in the food, on the food journey. So I don't know the style. And make sure to drop a subscribe too. A lot of you guys watching the video, I'm seeing where you're not subscribed, so people just subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you get all instant upload as them drop like this. I'll drop it in. Beautiful vibe. So this is what is on the menu today. We just get a little redo decoration. People see the number there. This is the number, so I'll make sure to call if you want no food, if you're passing by and want call and say here well, leave such and such to me, I'm passing by soon. Do that. Beautiful vibes.
Where's that? Irish and carrot are going to go to you now.
Alright, this is some Irish for the goat. Wow. So the goat basically almost finished cook. When you add these are
Simmer it as simmer now. It basically cook, so we're doing hot these to it. Yeah.
nice.
So we're going to put some Irish, some carrot, some chocho.
In the curry goat.
Yeah, man.
Chocho.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Yeah, man, authentic. You know, like when they're a country man and them a cook
Alright.
real curry goat, man. All of them something them put in there, you know, chocho, carrot,
true.
and them something there, you know.
True.
Make it up, you know. Yeah.
You know, I just slow fry. Nothing not burn, the thing of juice up on it. Soak oil, top in the oil over there, so people. Nice vibes. Push the over there, so fry it. Same time, look at that. Beautiful. Nice. All of that add to the body of the soup.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Just flip a couple of them.
Chocho, carrot. Irish.
The curry pot.
Yeah.
Beautiful vibes. That we don't normally see them thing here, you know, people. They normally see chocho in a curry, you know, people. So it's a vibe. This one actually I get to the people. Beautiful vibes.
We name soul food, you see me?
Yeah. Come on, coach, you can get on board. I just said that people don't use it. Because a lot of people not coach friendly.
Yeah, it's a vibe. It's a vibe. Right now, anything going on the curry pot,
Just
get.
use less.
Anything going on the curry pot for me right now get dealt with.
Yeah, man.
Just like that.
Yeah, that's how it
Because that is coat. Yeah, man. So right now, all if you drop all piece of yam in it, that
Gone.
gone.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but
that
if you not
gone.
You have an Irish.
Yeah,
you see, if
man.
you don't have Irish, yellow yam we use.
Straight.
Cut up seal like Irish.
Gone, man.
Yeah, man.
Gone.
When you eat it, you never realize it.
Yeah.
Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Real soul food.
Yeah, man. Soul to the soul, you know?
Straight.
Yeah.
This is something that we don't normally see, people. This is actually jerk chicken from scratch. You actually see this from it season up till it go up on the grill, and right now it's basically smooth finish. Look at that. It's just a vibe. Go now closer look. But the ones up there so finish already.
Yeah, this is yeah,
Oh, so
we don't want them
get some
overcook.
heat. Yeah.
So we put them up here, so make
Okay.
them kind of take them time, you know.
Wow. Beautiful vibes. So people will basically see this from start to finish. It's just a vibe. Movements from one end to the other. In the kitchen, food just a circulate. Everything just a circulate. Water spray upon chicken right now.
Yeah, man, season water, you know?
Cocoa, season water. Beautiful vibes. Can't wait to dip in some of the food here to the people. It's just a vibe. You know how they here people.
Yeah. Just going up and
All of the ingredients with brown stew fish.
Okra,
Nice.
carrot, chocho.
A mustard.
Take off some of the skin, you know?
Yeah, man, definitely. And I want to tell you, say, a lot of people don't even like take off the skin in there because skin is actually good. Same
Yeah,
way.
but true, it's going to go in that you don't want
in
it to have a
yeah,
tough
man.
texture.
Yeah.
So when the people have it, want it right now, go
True,
cook
true.
that much.
True. Being that of the fish too. Yeah, man. True. So, chocho, okra, hot pepper, carrot. Beautiful.
yeah.
Vibes.
So we are put this in the fridge to make him go on cool long. Oh, come there.
You know that tongue?
The longer one.
Yeah. You have it more than 1 minute. Oh, it don't have the chicken.
I only use
You
it.
don't want the chicken, you don't want the chicken.
Oh, yeah. I really use. Nice fish.
Well, it's your golden. Beautiful.
Come on, let's cook up the sauce now, and then this go in that sauce. Trouble. fried chicken to come on.
Nice.
Still want fry, right?
Yes, man. Boy, soap like that.
Soap. So I'm going to choke them up, you know? So the body soak on. And the body chicken, you know, make complete. Unless you want more.
Hey, so when you buy chicken, they make complaint.
No, unless you want more.
Unless you want some more. You can lick it.
Yeah. Coming on, you know?
Coming on.
Yeah.
Real good coming on anything good, you know? Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. Honestly.
Alright, something else to put in it. No. Without your curry, so we do a secret about turmeric.
Turmeric.
Forget curry taste. Turmeric.
Turmeric.
Yeah, turmeric. One of the main ingredients.
So no matter the amount of curry where you use. Curry powder.
Powder.
Yeah.
Turmeric.
Turmeric.
One of the main ingredients for your curry.
Nice.
I'm just giving you just a little part of my secret.
Nice.
It's not a secret no more.
Brown food sauce that are going line up.
Ketchup.
Eh?
Ketchup.
Pepper?
Ketchup. Ketchup.
Oh. That's very wrong.
Water.
There we go. 4 full months.
My brown. Brown.
Full months. 4 full months. I don't know, so I don't want to box it up now.
Yeah, no.
That's firm, you
You
know.
know, this stinging, brother.
Yeah, man, that's how it is, man.
Sugar.
Most important time. Let's see the salt. All natural as usual.
Natural as usual.
Well, another blue plate. Complain.
Beautiful people, so right here, golden fish. Ready. See the sauce, right? There's some sauce ready up. Same time. Chicken right, the sauce right up. Same with beautiful.
Come out.
Beautiful vibes. Chicken them all come out now.
Yeah.
Nice. Wow, chicken finish up. Looking real crispy and nice. Wow. curry would finish up people. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa.
Yep.
Yeah, man. Nice.
Yeah. Right, soup will come off next.
Soup time. Beautiful. Beautiful vibes. There's a soup done too.
Give him a little more fire.
Give a little more. Okay.
Next
Okay.
10 minutes on the...
Right. Turkey chicken. Whoa. Nice and ready up. Nice and ready up. Ho ho ho. Whoa. Beautiful. People.
Right, so I'm going to boil up now and catch him
Boil
body.
up.
By 11 o'clock,
Nice.
I'm ready.
Nice.
Yeah.
True. Beautiful.
Because we like to cook him and make him catch him body.
Yes, man. Food na yes, you know.
No,
Love
yeah,
and
yes,
meat.
food trouble do it.
Alright.
And a soul, we say soul
Soul.
to the soul.
So people that hear that beautiful vibes, it's like 10:39. It's 10:39 by 11 o'clock. Soup ready. Basically everything ready. We see the curry goat come off, the chicken ready, the fish, brown stew fish, we see that fried down crispy and nice, the jerk chicken right there ready. I just the soup leaf right now, people, and we can't wait to test out some of this. It's just a vibe. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, man, definitely. Crazy vibe, respect, you know. Queen chef in the place said we everybody a chef here, you know, people. Look at that. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful vibes right there so people can see. Nice, juicy chicken breast right there so we can see the okra, the fish looking beautiful, the curry coat. Well, look nice. You see the lettuce, everything mixed up right. There's a colorful Irish. Oh, pasta looking beautiful, and we have 2 cup of rice right there. So people, whoa, can't wait to begin at these people. Oh my God, this looks so good. This look really good, people. Really, really good. Oh, people, cheese and peas, everything look real beautiful. We test out the pasta. And the pasta looking so wet and nice. Oh, whoa. Pasta at a whole. Have a nice piece of juicy chicken breast right here. Squeeze that, you can actually see the juice in this breast, guys. This breast not dry, and breast is normally the driest part or I should say the trashiest part on the chicken, and look at this. You can see all of that wetness there. The wetness they maintain in the chicken breast. Oh my god. Oh. I guarantee everything in this I get shelled down, guys. Guys, this place is amazing. You see this over here, so? This, I was actually trying to show you guys the spice, the hand-picked spice that the chef used. I'm not sure the name, but he used it in the curry. And it dropped. And the chef called me and said, yo, you want more curry? And I said, Brechin, Jano Star, more curry. This is beautiful, guys. Real love and authentic style right there. So, oh my god, people. The realness, you can smell it. You can taste and smell the love in this food. Just like that. Just like that. Soul food restaurant. This right here, so I'm a plate. This I'm a plate. The food, Virgin people, yo, I want to remind them what to find that spot here.
Alright.
Again.
Soul Food Restaurant and Gross is located at number 3 Crieffe Road. Crieffe. Crieffe Road, near the National Stadium. Can't miss it. Right at the foot of Beverly Hills.
Wow.
Can't miss it. Basically, 3-minute walk from Stanton Terrace. You can't miss it. I'm there on Google, so just put in a Google search.
Soul.
You pop up. There on Instagram. You know it goes. Social media. Soul Food Restaurant and Groceries. Type it in. You gotta see what I go on.
Food was amazing.
Yeah.
Naturally, you know, see what I go on right now. It's lunchtime. You know, just not too long done mash up some of the nice curry ranking goat around there. So, and I know we're not out the soup yet, but we are showing our little clippings what I go on there. So right now we see people are roll through. We see work people are roll through. A lot of people are roll through for them lunch right now. The time is right where everybody smell the food all over the day at them workplace right now. Just I pass through for them lunch and you know what time it is. Natural soul food vibes. We see people are hide all them face, but you don't know. You don't know. It's just the vibes, people. The environment, natural environment, food ready up and up. You know we are gonna test out the soup, people. Natural vibes. So I don't know what time it is. Yard life. Right now, we get some of the great chicken foot soup. We see the chef prepare on it. So look on the heat that come out of that, smelling real beautiful, smelling real nice. Can't wait for dipping at this, people. It soup is thick. You know, we have all of this food in it. We have yam in it, sweet potato, we have cocoa in it. Natural vibes, people. So these are the chicken food right there, so people. Natural vibes and beautiful, people. Nice. Thick soul food. Wow. Beautiful cup of soup. Oh, cheese and peas. Oh, people, soup is looking so rich. It feels so rich. Look on this right there, so you see the chicken foot, you see all of them little thing there, people. The soup hot, but you don't know how to catch the angles because you want to see what actually I talk about. Thick, not watery. Beautiful vibes, people. Natural vibes. no powdered seasoning. Chef said don't use no powdered seasoning at this sound. I know what time it is. And not normal. Strictly green is you can taste this pepper stinging in your throat. Ho, ho, ho. And that give the vibes because it's hot. And then you don't know the pepper. Hot scotch bonnet pepper. Whoa. Get a piece of the chicken foot, you know. Ho, ho, ho. Beautiful. Chicken foot melt melt when your mouth. Vibes. You know, pass by, stop. Close to National Stadium, if you know stadium, and not far from stadium. 5 minutes, I want to reach, or less than 5 minutes, I want to reach. Quick drive by. Nice, beautiful area. So, here we go on. You got to tune out right now, people. Remember, pass by, get some good food, soul food, because that's what the place name, and them stand up for them name because a real soul food the boss them deal with. A natural, vibrant era, the environment. So give the video a thumbs up, people. Drop a subscribe. Blessings.